Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to file a tax extension on TurboTax. First, open TurboTax and go to the help icon in the top right corner. A chat window will appear. In the text box, type extend. TurboTax will show you the option to file a tax extension. You'll see a note that the deadline to file an extension is April 15, 2025. And if accepted, you'll have until October 16, 2025 to submit your return. Click the button that appears after typing extend to begin the process. On the next page, click Start Easy Extension. Follow the on-screen steps to complete your extension filing. And that's it. That's how to file a tax extension on TurboTax. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.